Today we're heading out of Reykjavik's Harbour with Ord, the captain of the Numi, who has over 30 years' experience at sea. He's been taking visitors whale watching with his company Sjósigling for the last 3 years on his boat, the Numi. While leaving the harbour, we can see some sights from a different angle, like the newly built Harbour concert hall and Esja's mountain peaks which rise above Reykjavik. Ord's name is the Icelandic word for eagle, so we hope his sharp vision will find some life in the sea. Reykjavik's harbour is full of whales and dolphins, who play among the waves made by the boat. Today we found a pod of dolphins, but each whale-watching trip gives a new and different experience. With birds, dolphins, and whales, nature can be quite unpredictable. By the time we head back, we're ready to fill our stomachs with the delicious tomato soup, freshly prepared by the captain.
Well, this just started. My husband, he's the captain on the off-boat Numi. We are in whale watching in the summer, and at the end of last summer, he thought it would be nice to have a few taxidermic seabirds on board for the people to see the birds up close. But then came November, December, and we thought, maybe we just go all the way and make a real museum.
Yeah.
The specialty maybe about this museum is because it is made in a spring or summer plumage. The bird has sometimes a nest, sometimes eggs, and even a young. So you see it all together. There's always a story about each bird. How they got it. Mm-hmm. So there are three that are working this together. One is taking everything out and cutting the piece that will go inside. Yeah. And one is very good at wiring them, how they're going to stand. Yeah. And one is very good at making the nose and eyes and the legs. And then they put it all together. Worked it all together to how it was displayed in the cabinets.